What are you trying to resolve? Your customers are the same thing. When a prospect is becoming difficult, first I would advise you, please celebrate. If he's becoming difficult, he's passing all his needs and desires and wants through a filter. And this filter is because he wants to buy. No. Trust can be built in a short little span of time. 3 minutes, 30 seconds, 3 hours. I'd like to conclude by saying that trust is constantly under construction. In the world of selling, one of the things that keeps on getting discussed is you can't win them all. You'll find customers who are easy, you'll find customers who already decided to buy, and then you have those people that are obstinate. Even though you're showing them all the value your product solution brings, they're still stuck up. They don't want to move ahead on the decision. Think about it. Why would this be happening? When you want to buy something, you fundamentally have made a decision in your mind. What are you trying to resolve? Your customers are the same thing. When a prospect is becoming difficult, first I would advise you, please celebrate. If he's becoming difficult, he's passing all his needs and desires and wants through a filter. And this filter is because he wants to buy. If you're the salesperson that wants to make this deal, then the first shift that you need to make is stop pushing. Push creates resistance. Now, in a resistant environment, if you're trying to sell, you get a lot of flux in terms of the customer bringing up why he doesn't want to buy at this moment, why he feels he needs more clarity, why he feels he wants some time to make a decision. I urge you to think about what you need to change, and here's what you can do for a start. Please only work on building trust. You buy from people you trust. Now you must be thinking, how quickly can you build trust? You'll be shocked. It's amazing to know. Trust can be built in a short little span of time. 3 minutes, 30 seconds, 3 hours. I'd like to conclude by saying that trust is constantly under construction. Your first move in the sales process is build trust. That will give you rapport. Now, once you have rapport and you stop talking about yourself and your product, this customer is going to calm down and start looking within himself. Am I with somebody who possibly might understand what I'm trying to get done? Difficult customers, once they reach that point of say, I think I'm with somebody who understands what I'm trying to resolve, why I want to buy, why I don't want to buy, and the conversation moves ahead. If you can bring the customer to a platform of trusting you as that human being, follow a very simple mantra. Lot of empathy. Human beings love empathy. 95% of the population constantly expects sympathy and empathy, a combination of these two. If you show them a lot of empathy, there's a very high scope that you get a chance to start telling them a little bit about yourself and your organization, your product or the solution, and you'll find that slowly, you've built a bridge that says, I can speak to this salesperson, he appears he's here for me. Once you've reached there, you have the license to ask powerful questions. Let me conclude by saying there are no needs. People fundamentally are trying to fix something between what they have, which could be a problem, could be a product, could be a solution, and what that's causing them to believe they need something else, something more, something different. You could be the person they buy from. Stop telling, start asking, build trust, create an environment of comfort, and your customer will move. Lots of learning ahead. This is Pramod Parkar. Click on the link and stay on our channel. There's lots there for you.